In this video, I will be showing you how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos in Urdu using Canva. Let's get started. Starting on the Canva homepage, I'll head straight to the search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail to see the available options. Once the templates load, I'll scroll through the results to find a layout that fits my content. I really like this growth chart design, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that the project is ready, I'll click on the main heading to select it. To change this text to Urdu, I'll go to the Apps tab on the left sidebar and search for the Translate tool. I'll select the app, choose Urdu from the language drop-down menu, and then click the Translate button to automatically update the text on my canvas. Next, I want to swap out the main image. I'll go back to the Elements tab, search for the word shock, and filter the results for photos. I'll choose this image of a surprised woman and click it to add it to my design. I'll flip the image horizontally so she is facing toward the chart. Then I'll drag the corners to resize the photo until it fills the background area perfectly. To make the subject stand out more, I'll click Edit Photo at the top, navigate to the Shadows section, and apply a glow effect. While I'm at it, I'll move the Urdu text slightly to improve the overall composition. Now, let's update the chart graphic. I'll search for growth in the Elements tab and look through the graphics for a new icon. I'll select this growth chart with a $sign, delete the original white arrow, and position the new graphic in its place. To match the theme, I'll change the color of the new icon to white so it pops against the black background. After a final adjustment to the size of the Urdu text to make it more prominent, the thumbnail is complete. To finish up, I'll click Share in the top right corner, select Download, choose my preferred file type, and save the image to my device. Creating professional Urdu thumbnails in Canva is that simple.